New Zealand has consented for the removal of asbestos on the island to be shipped there after extensive discussions to rid the island of the toxic cement. According to the Minister of Health, Olaf Jacobson, Cabinet was awaiting a Cabinet submission from Infrastructure Coordinator William Peet that will be endorsed by Cabinet today, but New Zealand has given the green light for the asbestos to be taken there. Recent developments in the island's clean-up project caused major conflicts between landowners living in New Zealand, those living on the island, officials and the proposal to demolish derelict houses. However, support for the government's clean-up project will see many derelict houses face demolition, bringing the number of asbestos to an increase for removal. The project to ship out asbestos is expected to conclude by September, with an approximate total of 40 container loads to New Zealand. And we will bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin.